What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix. I'm here with Aaron, Kicker. Man, we've been through everything together. Kicker, Sonic. Look, we've seen cars, Marine, UTV, Harleys for years. They got their latest and greatest from Harley. It's a lid cutting kit. Aaron's gonna explain it to you. We are gonna have a little bit of a fun issue here because the guys gave us two different sides, but Aaron's gonna explain this, so we're gonna take it from here.
So we've been doing Harley kit bags for a long time, but our customers have been saying, hey, we want to keep our existing bag lid, but we want to cut in. So now we have a cut-in solution, and we give you this template so you can perfectly cut the bag lid every time. You don't want to screw it up. So once you've done that, then you install the bag lid adapter. You'll notice it has RGB lighting. So no matter what 6x9 you put in there, you've got RGB LED lighting. A nice thick gasket. You don't want moisture getting in your bag lid. In addition, we're using threaded inserts, so we're not screwing into plastic because we want a secure fit. We also have this little piece here, which helps to give rigidity to the bag lid. So when you open and close the bag lid, the speaker doesn't sag, the bag lid doesn't warp when it gets hot. Really important piece. You drop in the 6x9. There's two kits, one that includes the 6x9, one without the 6x9. And then of course we have all of your harnesses, so it is truly a plug and play solution.
I have a question for you. I'm not a Harley rider. I don't think I'll ever ride a Harley. When I was a kid, I tried to ride a motorcycle and it didn't go so well. We'll just leave it at that. But hey, that's why I get to sell electronics. I'm alive still. I didn't ride the Harley. So here's the deal. A lot of people get confused with RGB, including myself, with these LEDs.
Yes, sir.
Do you need any controller or anything like that to get these to work with this?
This is a great question. If you just want one color, you don't need a controller.
Cool.
You just wire up the correct combination, which is in the manual, and you can wire up any one color without a controller.
And then that will go on with the music, or it'll go on with the radio, I should say, or the car,
yes,
or
it'll go on with the bike. Right? Turn on the bike, lights turn on. Now, if you want to be able to change the colors, then you need the controller. That's sold separately.
Yep.
Great question.
So, and those controllers are great because they can control other lights on your bike,
yes.
right? I mean, this is a bike product we're talking about, but if you have any other RGB solutions out there for other parts that Kicker supports with RGB, like the Marine speakers,
correct,
you can actually enjoy that with their controller that we sell as well.
That's correct. Perfect.
Great seeing you, Aaron.
You too, sir.